Hello and welcome to this nCore HR tutorial. In this video we are going to explain the first settings of your environment. First of all, you can replicate the organizational structure of your company within the platform. In nCore HR you can use nodes to create a hierarchical order of separate operational units such as branches or divisions. Nodes can also be used for specific projects. Each node can have different graphics and settings and separate statistics, or use the configurations created by the parent node. To create a new node, go to Node and then Load List. You will see the main node or parent node that we have already created for you. All the other nodes that you will create will become subnodes. To add a new node, just click on Add Node and choose the parent node under which you wish to create a new node. When you first access the platform, you will need to create an account for your colleagues as well, so that they will be able to start working. To do so, go to Access Management. On the bottom page, you will see this section called Roles List, where you will be able to create multiple roles which can have a different set of actions associated to them. You need to click on Add New Role, fill in the name of the role, and choose the actions you want to enable by ticking the box on the left. To enable all the actions, tick the box next to Select All Roles. After you have created a role, you can add a new user and associate that specific role to them. Just click on Add New User and fill in the fields highlighted in red. For certain users, you can restrict access only to some of the nodes. With nCore HR, you can also customize the graphics of the candidate experience. At the top of the page, you will find a series of preview links to check the changes you make. If you scroll down, you will see some options to customize your landing page, as well as some other advanced settings. For example, you can upload the logo of your company and the background image here. After you have added the files, you can check the final result by using the preview links above. This is what your landing page will look like. And just like this, the first settings are done.